Understanding Stoichiometry, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving into a fascinating topic in chemistry called stoichiometry. This term might sound complex, but we'll break it down together, making it easy and enjoyable to understand. Stoichiometry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the quantitative relationships between the reactants and products in a chemical reaction. It's like a recipe for chemistry, telling us how much of each substance is needed to react completely. Think of it as a way of balancing and understanding chemical equations. In this section, we explore the basic principles of stoichiometry. It's all about the law of conservation of mass, which states that in a chemical reaction, the total mass of the reactants equals the total mass of the products. We also use mole ratios from the balanced chemical equation to calculate how much of each substance is involved. Here, we'll go through some practical examples to see stoichiometry in action. We will balance a simple chemical equation and use it to calculate the amounts of reactants and products. This hands-on approach makes the concept much clearer and shows its real-world application. Stoichiometry can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it becomes much easier. We'll discuss common issues learners face, like balancing complex equations and converting units. Plus, we'll share some helpful tips and tricks to master stoichiometry. And that's a wrap on stoichiometry. We hope this video has made this chemical concept more accessible and less intimidating. Remember, like learning a new language, chemistry requires practice and patience. Keep experimenting with these ideas, and you'll see how rewarding it can be. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.